In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this error while installing Discord on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager from the list. In the Task Manager window, go to the Processes tab, check if you see any Discord processes here. If you do, simply select it and then click on the End Task button at the top. Once you have done this, right click on the start icon again and this time go to run. Now here you will need to type in appwiz.cpl and then hit enter. Now in the control panel window, make sure that the Discord is not installed. If it is, simply select it and then click on this uninstall button. Once you have done this, open the run dialog box. So simply type in run and then hit enter. Now here you will need to type in %appdata % and then hit enter. Now in the file explorer window, you will need to locate the Discord folder. If you see it, simply select it and then click on this trash icon at the top. Next you need to open the run dialog box again and this time type in %local app data % and then hit enter. Now here again, if you see the Discord folder, simply select it and then click on this trash icon at the top to delete it. Once you have done this, open a different web browser than your default one. Now simply search for Discord and go to the download tab and download a fresh installer for Discord. Once you have downloaded the setup file, restart your Windows laptop. After the reboot, locate the Discord setup, right click on it and then select run as administrator. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts to install the Discord app. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the Discord setup and then select properties. In here, go to the compatibility tab and here tick this particular checkbox. Now select Windows 8 or Windows 7 from the list. Tick this particular checkbox that says run this program as an administrator and then hit apply. Now try running the Discord installer one more time and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.